Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun double Z-fold card using the Love Cats stamp set. Here's my double Z-fold Love Cats card. It's very simple, but it's very cute. I used the Gingham, Country Gingham Designer Series paper. It's currently out of stock, but it will be back in stock. I have cut out the largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies, and I'm going to use the Stamparatus. I'm going to use the Stamparatus to stamp my hanging cat first. So I'm just going to grab that, and then I'm going to ink this up with some Memento black ink. And I like to use the Stamparatus for black ink because I can get it really, really dark. But this one I actually only need once because I mainly want the string behind it. So I could keep inking it and make it darker and darker, but I actually have already cut out a hanging cat that I'm going to use because I want to pop up the cat. And the cat stamps way better on. All right, so now I'm just going to add a cat with dimensionals. Oh, and I wanted the whiskers too. I didn't want to cut out the whiskers. That is not fun. Okay, so now I'm going to put some dimensionals just on the left side of this. And I'm going to move this aside. Now we can put together the double Z-fold. So I have an 11 by 4 1/4 piece of basic white cardstock scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. So basically it's folded in half and then folded in half again. I have some of the gingham paper. This is 5 1/4 by 4, and this is going to be attached to the back. And this piece is 2 1/2 by 4, and this will be attached to the front. And I'm going to scoot this all the way over to the edge right here to make it look like one continuous piece. Now I have a piece of 11 by 1 1/2, and this one is scored at 5 1/2 and 8 1/4. So it's folded in half and folded in half again, but it's just the opposite way. So now I'm going to put some adhesive behind here and behind here. And I'm going to place that a little bit higher up. Let's see, I'm going to go with this lining up this edge over here. Whoops, because I can trim this edge over here more easily. Okay, now we can add our kitty cat. So we've got our kitty cat hanging out here. You can put it there, you can put it here. I'm gonna put the kitty cat right about there. And then we have our fun little sentiment. I love hanging out with you. And last but not least, I cut out a little heart from the Love for You dies. And I'm just going to put that on. No, I don't want to put it on a dimensional. I'm going to put it on a glue dot. So there we go. I guess we could put the bottom part on a dimensional. All right, so that is my double Z-fold cat card.